Welcome back to my channel, the best place for simple, healthy lifestyle through Jesus, health, and finances. My name is Josy. In today's video, I want to share with you something about self-compassion. Before you can show some kindness and compassion to others, you really have to show some kind of self-compassion to yourself. And self-compassion comes in when you are improving your healthy lifestyle for yourself. So in today's video, I want to share with you 8 small ways that you can show compassion to yourself, meaning that you're going to be kindness to yourself so that you be kind to others. So let's talk about it. Self-compassion is a foundation of building a healthy lifestyle. If you have an healthy lifestyle, you can be kind to yourself and be kind to others. If you don't have self-compassion, it's very difficult to help yourself and also help others. So it's a very important thing to have it right now, that we are going through a lot of suffering, trauma, stress every day. Let's look at self-compassion in another different way. It also means that treating yourself very well so that you can treat others too. For what is going on all over the world, it's kind of difficult right now to take your lifestyle, your healthy lifestyle, very serious so that you be kind to others, you will treat others the same. But remember, a little kindness can help us pass through all this stress, all this trauma, and all this suffering that is going throughout the whole world. My number 1 pillar is spending time in nature. Summer is here. The weather is very nice. So go outside and take a walk. Listen to music and relax. If you have little ones at home, they've been in the house for a long time, take them for a walk. Normally when you do that, they talk to you a lot. They tell you what they are thinking. For those of you who like gardening, this is the time for you to enjoy the nature. Do your garden and relax. Stop thinking about anything else and just enjoy the nature. Once a while, I stand in my kitchen and look outside the window and just listen to the birds that they are flying there around and making noise. But it's well doing that. It makes your mind relax. So it's very important to spend time in nature right now. When you do that, it makes your body relax. It makes you think of other things, not for yourself alone. So I urge you to spend time in nature. At this time is one of the best way to do to yourself so that you can show love and kindness to others. My second way is to take time and do nothing. One of the best things to show self-compassion to yourself is to honor your body and take some rest. Resting to some people is the time when they are sleeping, but it's not like that alone. Resting can also be that you are just there doing nothing. When you are there and you are not just doing nothing, it doesn't mean you are lazy. You are rested. You take some deep breath and just relax. It really calm your body. Our body works in such a way that there is time for you to rest and there is time for you to move. So take some time and do nothing. Just rest. Our life is so busy in such a way that we want to finish everything on their list. We want to finish everything that we have planned for. But it's not always like that. In the Bible, God tells us that our plans are not His plans. So even if when you plan and you don't live in the house of God, it does nothing. So take time and rest. Don't try to rush through your life. Don't try to impress anybody that you want to finish everything. Urge yourself and have some resting days. It doesn't matter that you have to take a nap alone. You can just sit down there and just take a rest. Make your body relax. Honor your body by resting. It will really help you so that you can help others too. My next point is to press pause on your goals. Maybe you have set goals for yourself, and every day you are going up and down to achieve these goals. I want to tell you that press pause on that goals that you have set. The reason why it's not moving forward is because you are thinking about yourself alone. Try to take time and put your goals aside and think about others by helping them. It makes you know what you have to do for your goals to move forward with it. At this time that the world is going through a lot of stuff, it's time to look at your perspectives, your priorities, and your goals. Are they working for you? Just put a pause and think about them. How you can show kindness to others. How you can help others through these goals that you have set. It's not all about you alone. It's about others too. I really love this quote. It says that if your plan does not work, change the plan, but never change the goals. Your goals that you have set for yourself is always going to be there. Don't try to finish your goals. It doesn't make you do it very well because it's a goal that you have set for yourself. So I want you to put pause on your goals and try to see what you can do for others by showing kindness. And it will really, really help you. It's not all about yourself alone. It's about others too. My fourth pillar is something that I love so much. If you've been listening to me for quite a while, you know that I always tell people to move their body. This is the time to do some mobility exercise. When I say move your body, trust me, it's worth it. If you've been sitting too long, you've been standing too long, try and move your body. It's always feel good when you do that. Like I've already said, our body have time to move and have time to rest. At times you have to move your body. Let's say you put a water in the jar for a long time. It stinks. It's the same thing for our body. So try and move your body. And one thing that I always do is to jump about 2 times. Any way that you can jump is okay. Just jump. And it also really, really helps. Just move your body. It's not always about sitting down and watching TV. While you are watching TV, you can stand up and go around. You can still watch TV. So I want you to move your body. Have some movement a day. And it really, really helps. It makes you strong so that you can help others as well. It's all about showing self-compassion for yourself and for others. My fifth pillar is that limit the news and the social media consumption. The news and the social media can make you overwhelmed and stressed. During this time, there's a lot of social media things going on. There's a lot of news. Some even call it fake news. I want you to limit that. It can be an overwhelming. I remember when I came to United States, I used to listen to the news a lot. And anytime I listen to the news, I get frustrated. You know why? Because every day there was a shooting in the news. Do you know what I did? It made me bought a pepper spray and I have it with me all the time because I was scared that the same thing will happen to me. I didn't even think about God protecting me. Or news can make you frustrated. Social media can. So I want you to limit your news and your social media consumption. It really, really helps. Stress, it triggers our cortisol. That's the stress hormone. If you want to feel less overwhelmed and less stressed, you have to try and control your cortisol level. So don't listen to the news too much. Just take a break from social media if you are getting overwhelmed and if you are getting stressed. I'm one of the victims that I spend a lot of time on social media, especially now that I'm doing YouTube video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook all the time. But I've said to myself, there is time in a day that I don't have to be on there at all. I have to take a break and leave my eyes from the screen a little bit. Screen time is the best. Most of the phones you can set time that you can be on social media and they remind you when the time comes. I want everybody to practice that. It really, really helps. One of the things I've also been doing is that when I wake up in the morning, I set my phone to airplane mode. It means that I cannot check anything on the internet unless I finish reading my Bible, praying, and also doing some time for myself. And it has really, really helped me. Oh, social media and news can overwhelm you. They are addicted. So I want you to limit those times. And it really, really helps you take care of yourself so that you can take care of others. My number 6 is to take extra time to prepare food for yourself. Maybe you are a single person and you've been eating out a lot. Oh, take time and prepare food for yourself. Maybe you are too busy and you don't have time for your family. This is a time to prepare food for the family to come together on a table and eat. It really, really helps at this time of the day. I like meal prep because it let me know what I'm putting in the food. It also helped me know what I'm giving to my family. I want you to take time and learn new recipes. There are so many of them online. There are so many of them on YouTube that you can give it a try. It's worth trying. So take time and prepare food for yourself. Even if you don't know how to cook, the recipes are there. Just give them a try. It really, really helps. At this time that we are in, it's way better to eat healthy than to eat junks. Junks food make your body weak. It doesn't make your body grow very well. It makes you sick. So try and prepare healthy food for yourself and your family. Like I said, even if you don't know how to cook, the recipe is there. I've been showing a lot of food recipes on my YouTube video. Take time and try them. I'm going to leave some of them in my description below and also up here. They really, really help trying and it makes you start an healthy lifestyle. And one more last thing, when you prepare the food, don't rush when you are eating them. Practice mindful eating. Relax. Enjoy the food, the smell. It's a really, really good things to do right now. That means that you are showing self-compassion to yourself, and you can do that for others. So take time and prepare food for yourself or prepare food for your family. My 7th point is to try breathing works. Breathing is one of the best way to relax your body. Breathing has a big impact when it comes to your feeling and your health. There's always time for you to breathe. Breathing is the best thing for you to do. Or somebody may say that, oh, I've been breathing day in and day out. But the one I'm talking about is the breathing that you take your time to exhale and inhale. One thing I do for me to wake up in the morning is that I sit at the edge of my bed and I breathe in and breathe out 3 times. Do you know what it does to my body? It helps stretches and construct the lungs. It helps stretch and construct my lungs and any respiratory muscles, including my diaphragm. So incorporate breath works into your routine. Take time and breathe. Breathe in, breathe out, maybe 3 times in a day. And it really, really helps your lungs and your respiratory muscles. Do you know one thing I like about my Apple Watch? Oh, it tells me there's time for you to breathe. And it does it for 1 minute. And you have to stand and breathe in and breathe out for 1 minute. And you realize that your body is relaxed when you do that. So take time to practice breathing or put it in your daily routine. My last point is the best one so far. That's a body gratitude practice. Are you showing appreciation to yourself so that you will learn to show appreciation to others? When you get to grocery store, now they have people who give you the card to go buy your grocery. Do you even take time to say thank you to them? This is the time to appreciate everything that is going on around you. Even when you wake up in the morning, you have life. Some people don't. Are you showing gratitude to God and yourself? How many times do you say thank you to your kids when they do little things? It means that you are showing gratitude. I want you to appreciate yourself so that you can appreciate others. It's one of the best things to do for yourself and for others. How many times do you write down what God has done for you in a day? Show gratitude. Start practicing that. It's very, very good when you start doing that. It makes you appreciate the life that you have. One of the things that makes you show gratitude is also that you have to appreciate your body. You don't have to compare yourself to anybody. You don't own anybody, nothing. If you don't show gratitude for your body and you compare yourself to others, gratitude may be very difficult for you to practice. Appreciate yourself so that you can appreciate that. And one of the things you can also do to show gratitude for yourself and for others is to take good care of yourself. You know, that's one of my policies. Take good care of yourself so that you can take good care of others. Showing gratitude does not always mean that you are doing something for somebody. You have to show gratitude for yourself as well. And one of the things is that taking good care of yourself. And remember, everybody is unique. That's why our 5 fingers are not the same length. So don't compare yourself to others and think that, oh, I'm not better off. You have to show gratitude to yourself so that you can appreciate others. It's very, very important not to compare yourself to others. It doesn't make you be a thankful person. But me, I'm always grateful when I wake up in the morning and I have life. I'm always grateful when I go out and somebody was able to help me by giving me a grocery cart to go shop. You have to be grateful. You have to show gratitude to the little things that comes into your life. I'm always grateful when my kids are able to play around and they are able to jump and run around. You have to be grateful. You have to be showing gratitude to the little things that you have. When you start practicing gratitude, it makes you appreciate other people. And that is the best one for self-compassion, for yourself and for others. Show kindness for yourself and for others is the best practice for you to do right now. It's not all about yourself alone. It's about others too. Thanks for watching me today. I really, really appreciate you for listening to me. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share the video. If you really, really like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also comment below what you like about the video and what you want me to change. I love you guys and God bless you.